Pakiramdam mo ba parang wala kang direksyon sa buhay? Like you're doing your best, pero hindi mo pa alam kung para saan lahat to. Kung nararamdaman mo yan, this message might be for you. Minsan, dumarating tayo sa point na lost tayo. Nag-aaral ka, nag-work ka, gumigising ka everyday, pero deep inside may tanong ka. Ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yung purpose ko? At ang hirap, kasi parang lahat ng tao sa paligid mo, alam na nila saan sila pupunta. Pero ikaw, naguguluhan pa rin. Ibig sabihin, hindi aksidente na nandito ka. Hindi random ang buhay. May plano ang Diyos para sa'yo. Kahit hindi mo pa nakikita ngayon, minsan, akala natin, purpose is something big agad. Like success, achievements, and recognition. Pero, what if your purpose right now is just to keep going, to grow, to heal, to trust God kahit hindi malinaw. Kasi bago ka dalhin ng Diyos sa destination, ihahanda ka muna niya sa journey. Hindi mo kailangang malaman lahat ngayon. Hindi mo kailangang madaliin. Kasi God's timing is never late. Yung confusion mo ngayon, hindi yan permanent. One day, magigising ka na lang at maiintindihan mo kung bakit nangyari lahat. So, kung pakiramdam mo nawawala ka, remember this. You are not lost. You are being led. Trust God one step at a time. If this message spoke to you, share this to someone who needs it and follow for more reminders like this.